Hello, my name is Pauline and Fernan, and my role is app designing for this project and also the first presenter of this video. The name of our prototype is Smart Study Pocket, an app designed to make your every minute count. So, before we give a tour of our prototype, I will first give a brief discussion of our need finding and what problems we spotted while conducting that activity. For this project, we chose the design brief time. We focus on how students manage their time during everyday academic activities such as attending class, completing assignments, and preparing for exams. And our main objective is to help the students manage their academic time more effectively and avoid last minute cramming through Smart Study Pocket, an app that brings scheduling, task tracking, and study tools like flashcards and quizzes into one place so students can stay organized and make better use of their free time between classes. So, what are the problems we found when conducting the need finding? The first problem we identified is scattered study materials. So we observed a student having multiple tabs, multiple links, multiple PDFs she opened when she wanted to study. As a result, she spends more time searching through her tabs, and that caused her to waste some of her time doing so. The second problem is wasted free time. So many students have short breaks or long breaks between classes but often do not know how to use them productively. And the third problem is inaccurate reminders. So students who uses reminders for their schedules often do not account travel time from their home or boarding house, and that causes some of the students to be late even if they already set a reminder for the class or events. Now that we have identified the challenge students commonly face, let us introduce the solution we made through the app prototype Smart Study Pocket. This is the app that we made that aimed to address these problems and help students manage their time more effectively. So, with the design brief and need finding results now discussed, let us move on to the next segment of the presentation. My fellow app designer and groupmate Sam will now give you a tour of the Smart Study Pocket and its key features.
Good day. I'm Sam Laguda. I'm going to walk you through Smart Study Pocket and show you how it tackles each of the problems in our need finding. But first, what is Smart Study Pocket? Smart Study Pocket is the student productivity and scheduling application that is designed to help learners manage their academic responsibilities more efficiently. It combines scheduling, task management, study resources, and smart recommendations in one platform, allowing students to make productive use of free time between classes, stay organized, and avoid last minute rushing. So it's essentially your time management buddy. When you first open the app, you're greeted by our simple front page featuring our logo and tagline. From here, users can seamlessly log in or create an account to enter the app. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Creating one is simple. You can sign up using your email or quickly connect via standard single sign on options like Google or Facebook. Once you're signed in, you're ready to experience the full power of the app. Now, welcome to the homepage. As you can see, the app immediately greets the user, displays the current date, and shows a day progress tracker. Right now, it shows that 3 out of 5 tasks are done, giving the student a clear visual of their 60% completion rate for the day. Below that, you'll see the next class section, which displays the user's courses. In this case, it's from 1 to 2:30 p.m. Our solution to the wasted free time problem mentioned earlier is the free time banner. The app dynamically recognizes that the user has a 25-minute free now window before class. Instead of letting them waste it scrolling through social media, Smart Study Pocket acts on its smart recommendation feature and tells them the best task to utilize this specific pocket of time. In this case, a quick quiz review. The student can simply hit start focusing to instantly dive in. Right at the bottom, we have the upcoming tasks section. This gives students a continuous, high level look at what's on their plate. categorized by status tags like done, soon, and urgent. This directly prevents the stress of last minute rushing because of deadlines. Next, let's look at the task menu, which solves our first major problem, scattered study problems. Scattered study materials. At the top, students get a bird's eye view of their weekly workload with the today's progress breakdown, separating tasks clearly into urgent, soon, or done status indicators so they can prioritize efficiently. When a student finishes a task, they can just tap the check mark to cross it off, instantly updating their daily progress ring on the home screen. Now, watch what happens when we click into a specific task. Say, for example, data structures and algorithm quiz right here. So when we click this, it opens up an extended view showing the precise date, time, and location. Our solution for the scattered notes is the notes bin. Instead of keeping 50 browser tabs open or losing PDFs in a cluttered downloads folder, students can use the Add Files button to upload all relevant lecture notes directly into the specific task container. Everything you need for the task is neatly organized in one single bin. Here at the bottom, we also have study tools such as flashcards, and quiz generator.
To take it a step further, Smart Study Pocket doesn't just store your files, it also helps you study them. Under the Study Using section, we feature interactive AI tools. When a user clicks flashcards, the built-in AI automatically reads the uploaded lecture notes and generates an active recall flashcard deck for them. Students can flip through questions, click to review answers, and study effectively during those brief 20 minutes gap between classes. Similarly, if they choose the quiz generator, students can fully customize their own practice test. They can select the source notes, choose the number of questions, select the test type like identification, multiple choice, or matching, and pick a difficulty level. Once they hit generate quiz, the AI creates a quiz on the spot to prepare them for their exams. To tie the whole study session together, we have focus mode. Instead of jumping to a separate timer app on their phone, which usually leads to opening social media notifications, students can stay right inside the app. They can select a preset like 25 minutes or 45 minutes or set a custom countdown. It shows exactly what you are now studying. Most importantly, it tracks your daily stats, showing your total accomplished sessions and focus minutes. Seeing those numbers serves as a great visual reward and psychological motivation for students. Moving on to the schedule menu, this addresses our final problem regarding schedule awareness and management. It maps out a clean timeline view of the student's day, indicating classes like algorithms, statistics, and data structures, while clearly carving out designated free time blocks. Students can easily swipe or tap to view schedules for the rest of the week, like Tuesday or Wednesday, ensuring they can plan ahead seamlessly. Finally, let's look at our notification system. To solve the problem of traditional calendars, ignoring travel times and causing students to be late, our reminder system sends proactive notifications. For example, look at this class reminder. Data structure and algorithm starts in 25 minutes. It gives students actionable option to tap got it, snooze for 5 minutes, or dismiss. It even couples task reminders with a direct shortcut button like the quiz review proceed prompt, guiding students instantly to their study material. Rounding out the application is the profile page, where users can manage their academic info, adjust application themes, and tweak their notification preferences. When designing Smart Study Pocket, we took heavy inspiration from existing applications like Notion for its compact material organization, Google Calendar for daily scheduling, and Quizlet for its quick active recall tools. We chose these specific platforms because while they are excellent on their own, switching back and forth between the three different apps fragments a student's attention span and wastes time. By synthesizing their best elements into one unified AI enhanced workflow, tailored specifically for the everyday student schedule, Smart Study Pocket successfully eliminates friction, rescues wasted time, and puts academic success in the student's pocket. That concludes our prototype demonstration. Thank you so much for listening.